Hey everybody, it's Neil. I'm in my camper now, but I got this here. This is the Arecwy, and what it is, I'll show you here. It is a device that lets us use our 12 volt devices in our home. So we have a 12 volt, like one of those cigarette lighter outlets there, and then we have the transformer, and then we have the plug here. And so we can plug it into the wall. So like I'm in my camper now, so I have to test things out when I'm in here. But if I want to test some things out at home where I'm not here, I can just plug this into the wall, plug my device into there and use it. So how cool is that? So this one here, super powerful one here. It's got 180 watt power. That'd probably be enough even to run this air conditioner. But it says 12 volt output and the input is the 120. So totally nice, convenient, cool item to have if you need to be doing some testing of any kind of automotive things inside, or if you just want to use some fun automotive things inside. So totally awesome. I like it. Thumbs up.